Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to Mr. Techfox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the latest Intel graphics driver for your Windows PC step by step. Let's go. But before doing it, I'm requesting you to hit that subscribe button. So first of all, open your web browser. Here I'm going to open my web browser and then I'm gonna search here Intel graphics download. Intel graphics driver download. And then press enter. And here you will see some page. Normally open the page named with the versions. For example, I want to download the latest version, so I'm clicking on this 15.45. And then make sure that you have selected the latest version from here. And after choosing, you will see some variant of those versions. So as my PC is 64-bit, I'm gonna choose this one. On the other hand, if your PC is 32-bit, then you can choose this also. So I'm choosing this one, and then a file is going to be downloaded on my PC named Win64 and so on. Click on the save button to download the file. And here you can see that the file is downloading. After downloading the file, normally install it to run the application. And that's it. Now you know how to download the latest Intel graphics driver for your Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.